2026 Jeep Gladiator, essential off-road upgrades for adventure. The 2026 Jeep Gladiator is a unique blend of rugged off-road capability and versatile pickup utility, designed for adventurers, trail enthusiasts, and outdoor explorers. Combining Jeep's legendary 4x4 performance with a durable truck bed, the Gladiator is perfect for tackling rocky trails, muddy paths, and extreme terrain while carrying gear for extended trips. To maximize its off-road potential, equipping your Gladiator with the right tires, lift kits, suspension, and protective gear is essential. A key focus for Gladiator owners is off-road tires. The 2026 Jeep Gladiator supports all-terrain and mud-terrain tires that provide superior traction, durability, and performance in demanding environments. Popular options include BF Goodrich KO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack, which offer excellent grip on rocks, mud, sand, and loose terrain. Upgrading to larger tires enhances ground clearance, obstacle clearance, and overall off-road capability, giving the Gladiator a more aggressive, trail-ready stance. Suspension upgrades are another essential improvement. The Gladiator comes with factory off-road suspension, but aftermarket options like long-arm lift kits, upgraded coilovers, and sway bar disconnects can increase wheel articulation, ride comfort, and approach/departure angles. Brands such as Fox, Terraflex, and Rubicon Express provide durable solutions for trail-focused setups, enabling the Gladiator to navigate rocky terrain, ruts, and steep inclines with confidence. Other essential off-road upgrades include rock sliders, skid plates, bumpers, and recovery gear. Rock sliders protect the Gladiator's body from scrapes and obstacles, while heavy-duty front and rear bumpers offer winch compatibility and added durability. Skid plates protect critical components like the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank, ensuring the Gladiator survives the harshest trails. Installing LED light bars or auxiliary lighting improves visibility during nighttime or low-light trail adventures, enhancing both safety and performance. Interior and utility upgrades are also crucial. All-weather floor mats, cargo organizers, roof racks, and bed storage solutions keep gear secure during long off-road trips. Portable air compressors, recovery straps, and GPS devices help drivers handle unexpected obstacles safely, making the Gladiator fully prepared for adventure. The 2026 Jeep Gladiator is a versatile and trail-ready off-road truck, excelling in mud, rocks, sand, and steep terrain. With off-road tires, lift kits, suspension enhancements, and protective accessories, the Gladiator becomes a highly capable, adventure-ready machine suitable for both off-road exploration and hauling gear. Properly equipped, the 2026 Jeep Gladiator delivers a thrilling, dependable, and capable off-road experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful, rugged, and versatile off-road pickup.